Another Ethereum airdrop for free using a testnet using AAVE faucet. What is going on? Let's get to it. We are doing this one. We're going over backed on Ethereum, but not Ethereum. Ethereum testnet. Use the protocol on kovan testnet to get an airdrop. If you like airdrops, all that good stuff, free money. My name is AAVE, also known as Finance After 40. Subscribe. Let's get to it. So we have this beautiful guide. We're gonna go step by step. I'm telling you guys, this is a long one. However, if you follow me, if you follow this guide, everything will be in the description. We are all going to make it. So what are we doing? And feel free to read all of this. It's actually a great protocol. It helps with AAVE loans. Step one, we need to get ourselves kovan testnet. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, and if you already subscribed, you know this from my other past tutorials. Then we need a faucet. We're gonna use a faucet. Then we need another faucet. We need a faucet for AAVE, and we need a faucet for Ethereum. It is crazy stuff. And after that, we got faucet. Then we're getting dye. Then we're getting a loan. Then we borrow the loan. And then we're going to step 2, which is actually using the protocol. So let's go on the first couple of steps. This is a long one. Pay attention, subscribe. Let's get to it. So step 1, we need to get ourselves kovan testnet. What is this? Kovan testnet on MetaMask. You're gonna go here. All the links below. Chainlist.org. Search network kovan. Ethereum testnet kovan. Connect the wallet, which is what you're gonna do, which is fine. And once you add this to your MetaMask, you're gonna have kovan testnet on Ethereum, and then you can interact, but your balance for the first time will be 0 Ethereum. And if your balance is 0, you need Ethereum. What do? You're gonna go to get an Ethereum from a faucet. Which faucet? This one. Chainlink faucet, also link below. Faucet.chain.link/kovan. Pick the network, Ethereum kovan, from all those testnet. Put your address right here in the description of the testnet. You're gonna get a little bit of link, a little bit of Ethereum. Click I'm a no robot, send request, and basically it's gonna send 0.1 Ethereum to your kovan testnet, so you can interact and pay gas fees on Ethereum testnet. Doesn't cost you anything, just a little bit of your time, while time is precious. If you want free airdrop, this is the best I can offer. Okay, request complete. Congratulations, 10 testnet link and 0.1 testnet Ethereum were sent to your account. Click close. Let's make sure that it happened. And now we got ourselves 0.12 ETH. Okay, so now we got ourselves Ethereum to pay gas fees, and now we're gonna take a loan on AAVE using AAVE faucet. So we're gonna go here, and all this is before we even interact with the testnet of backed protocol to get the airdrop. What are we doing with AAVE? You're gonna go first of all to markets. This is very important. Go to markets, and according to the guide, you're gonna pick this one, AAVE version 2 K. Okay, the K is for kovan, the testnet. AAVE version 2, don't pick Polygon, don't pick Avalanche. AAVE version 2 K. Pick this one, and then you're gonna click deposit. You can't deposit anything because you don't have any money, so you're gonna click more. Okay, click more, click faucet. Okay, more faucet, then click dye. Now you're asking from the faucet to send you some dye so you can take a loan. Click the faucet button, and then it's gonna open MetaMask. It's gonna ask for some Ethereum gas fees. Let me just make sure while it does all of that I'm actually recording. Which I am, that's fine. Now you're gonna pay Ethereum gas fees. Click confirm, and basically the protocol is sending us dye, and in return we're gonna borrow Ethereum and take a loan. And that's only step 1 to get AAVE loan. What this protocol does, which is very nice, it makes sure that you're not gonna get liquidated by depositing some stable coins into the protocol, and then it sells automatically every time that Ethereum goes down. Pretty awesome. So we just deposit DAI, go to deposit, and now you see in my dashboard, basically I got another 10,000 DAI. Okay, I've done it a little bit before with other testnets, but now the faucet gave us $10,000 worth of DAI. What are you going to do next? You're gonna borrow. According to the guide, it says borrow Ethereum. Okay, so we're gonna scroll, click the borrow. Okay, scroll and find Ethereum. Here we go. This is Ethereum. Click Ethereum right here. I can borrow 1.26. Let's just borrow 1 ETH, 4,000 bucks, 200% annual variable APY. Okay, basically click borrow, and my health factor, that's the key for the protocol. Approve, of course, all the things. This is all Ethereum gas fees, but we're not paying them because we are good to go because we are doing this on the testnet. Click confirm. We're gonna confirm transaction, yada yada yada. A good time to say that if you like this content, guys, one way to support is Patreon, link below. If you got any airdrops or will in the future and you like this content, get any value, Patreon plus subscribe. Let's get to it. So we just got ourselves a loan. We deposit 10,000 DAI. We borrow against it 1 Ethereum. I did a test before with 0.2. You borrow 1 Ethereum. Now, let's assume this is the basically what you do on AAVE. Let's assume you go to sleep, you wake up, AAVE Ethereum goes down 30%, and this got liquidated. You don't want it. You have more money in here. You have $10,000. Basically, you're taking that 10,000, you go here to back, and then you're using that 10,000 to just in case Ethereum drops a lot in the middle of the night when you're not next to your computer, it will automatically sell your DAI. This is a beautiful product. Once I get an airdrop, I will most likely hold it for a little bit because this could be a good solution. What are we going next? Go back to our nice guide. We deposit, go here, click view pools, choose DAI, put deposit and stake right here, and then click top up position, and then do all the steps and then confirm, which I will explain in a minute, and then click the garbage can and then click withdraw. Okay, so let's do all of that. Click view pools. Once you view the pools, click DAI. Okay, so now basically I got 35,000. Let's do 10,000. This is what we got from the faucet. So you are doing this exactly the way that I'm doing. Deposit and stake. It's gonna open this again. Okay, well, if you were next to me, which you are not, but let's assume you are, while we are waiting, feel free to tell me a joke, a little bit about yourself, and if you like what you see, subscribe. By the way, almost at 20,000 subscribers. Thank you very, very much, everyone. This channel is going places, and we are all going to make it. Check all my tutorials. If there is no coin, you still have time to do the tutorials and be eligible for a future potential airdrop. That's basically the key. Now this is done. Deposit and stake. You're gonna click here, register an action. You see, plus register an action. Click plus, and basically what it says, we have found a protectable loan. The wallet you have connected has a loan. AAVE, and this is my health factor 174. So if you go back to your AAVE, you see that your health factor is 174, meaning that if it goes below 1, then they will liquidate you. We don't want it, but we still have DAI. We got 10,000 DAI. So we're gonna click register top up position. We're gonna pick our DAI. We're gonna click continue, and then we're gonna put all the stuff. Basically, it says, what health factor do you want the top action to happen? So let's say 1.1. What does that mean? It means that if Ethereum goes down, let's say to like 2,000 bucks, and we are almost at liquidation level, like if Ethereum goes down another 200 points, we will get liquidated, okay? Then we will automatically sell from this website to the Avalon 2,000 DAI for the example, and we're gonna put a total 8,000 DAI from our 10,000 that we have. So every time AAVE Ethereum drops a lot to like a 1.1 critical condition, instead of us going get liquidated, it's gonna sell our DAI automatically to top our level, so we will not get liquidated. How much gas are we gonna pay? Max gas 100. Confirm. And basically when the collateral drops below 1.1, it will be topped with 2000 DAI. This will be repeated every time until my 8000 DAI is done, and then I can actually sleep at night not worrying for a crypto crash in the middle of the night, because I know this protocol will automatically will send DAI, so I won't get liquidated. This is a great protocol, not a financial advice. Click confirm. Basically, again, it's all test, and once it's live, hopefully we will get an airdrop. Click confirm, pay more Ethereum gas fees on a testnet. Basically, you spend 10 minutes, you wake up a few weeks from now, and there's a lot of money in your account once this coin is live. Hopefully, that's what all we can do. This is done. The next step, basically it says you click here, and it's a summary, and then the guide is telling us to click right here, click the garbage cans to delete it, and then it says finally we need to withdraw, and those are the core functions. If you see any bugs, so we need to delete, click the garbage, delete top up position. Okay, that's fine. And once you do that, basically you don't have any backup for your loan, so if Ethereum crashes, you get liquidated. But once this is done, you also have money stuck in this protocol. We don't want our DAI to be stuck in this protocol. We need our DAI back in our MetaMask. So once basically this is confirmed, we don't have any more options. Go back to pools, click on DAI, click withdraw, and then basically let's withdraw the 10,000 that we have done. Withdraw DAI. We're gonna withdraw our DAI back from this protocol back to our MetaMask. Click confirm. That's basically what's gonna happen. And basically once it's done, I can tell you that I am very happy. And if you like what you see, subscribe. We're gonna let this go again and again. All the links will be in the description below. Many thanks to all of you, and I will see you once this is done. Basically it's done. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.